What's up, my low riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm just going to be changing the bedding on my bedroom and in my bedroom, vacuuming and just doing cleaning in my bedroom. I've been slacking a lot because, I was going through some family stuff. My father passed away, and when I get depressed or sad, I just shut down. And for the last 2 days, I've just been in the bed doing absolutely nothing, just not watching TV, just crying, okay? So, yeah, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. I'm going to have my days. I know that I have to take it one day at a time. But for today, I'm changing the bedding on my bed, and I've already did some hair, so stay with me while I change the bedding. You guys, I was just saying I need to order a chocolate brown duvet, and then when I went in my linen closet, I saw a chocolate brown duvet with the pillowcases that go with it. So, and then I was thinking, dang, now I gotta put a comforter inside this duvet. And usually I do it when my husband's home so he can help me put the comforter inside of it. But you guys will see, I was on the struggle bus a little bit trying to shove that comforter in that duvet, but I got it in there. It wasn't as neat as I wanted it to be, but the bed still looked good. I was trying to do it like you do a pillow when you put the pillow in a pillowcase. That didn't work out like I thought it would. It was at this moment that I felt like taking the comforter out of the duvet and just putting the duvet on as a bedspread, you guys. I ain't gonna even lie. Did I just put my whole head in there? Y'all, this duvet had a bunch of buttons. a bunch of them. You guys, I'm looking at the picture of the lady on the left side, and it looks like her dress is red. It's not even red. It's like a brownish color. But for some reason, the camera's making it look like it's red. That ain't cute. You guys, those cowhide pillows, I love those pillows. I could not find them for the longest, but I had them in my closet in the guest room, which is the overflow closet, and they were in a bin. And then the leather pillows that I put next to it, you guys, I just love those pillows. I love all those pillows. Now it's time to dust and vacuum. I got a little bit carried away with the vacuum, you guys. I was vacuuming all in the hallway and forgot I was recording. Yeah, let me tell you about Vegas and dusting. You can dust every single day and you'll still have dust. Vegas has to be the dustiest place I've ever lived. In California, you can dust and a week will go by and you don't have to dust again. But in Vegas, you dust one day, you gotta dust the next day. But I do not be dusting every single day. Let's get that clear. Ain't gonna do it, ain't gonna do it. I think I've got myself tired, and that Glade stuff that I put on the carpet makes me sneeze, but it makes the room smell so good. I guess I could have got the wrinkles out of the duvet where I had my hand at, but hey, at this point, I was just glad I got it done. Okay, you guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can notified every time I upload a video. And I promise I'm going to stay consistent. And you know what else? Stay blessed.